Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We today have our FabFitFun Customization 3 spoilers for the Summer 2021 box. It's so exciting, so let's get into it. If you're new to it, FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. It is $49.95 if you pay seasonally. If you pay annually, it is $44.95, but you pay all in advance. If you are an annual, you will now customize your entire box. Every customization will be a choice that we get to make. If you are a seasonal, you now have 4 customization choices. So we are still in the realm of this can be customized. Whether you are a seasonal or an annual, you will get to pick what you want in this customization. The customization dates have been released. If you are an annual, we will start add-ons on May 6th and customization on May 7th. And if you are a seasonal, you will do add-ons starting May 20th and customization starts on May 21st. All of the times for that are 9 a.m. Pacific or noon Eastern. FabFitFun has also started what they are calling Unlimited Swap. And what that means is if you are looking at the customizations for this box and you're thinking, this is just not for me this season, what you can do, and I haven't read how you do it yet, but what you are supposed to be able to do is go in and let them know you want to swap your box out for credit. And they will, if you have an annual box, you will get $44.95, or if you're seasonal, you'll get your $49.95 swap credit that you can use for refills or for your boosts or for the add-on sale. You just swap out your box for credit. I think that gives you a lot of flexibility. Maybe you don't want the box, but you still want to do add-ons this season. So that's something new that they're doing. All right, so let's glass up and get into customization 3, and I will let you know anything else that I think about as we go through this. We're going to start with the item that seems to be riling up the most people on social media, and it is the Bubble Bar Build Your Own Bracelet Kit, and it has a $50 value. It's so easy to make bracelets that match your style with these colorful beads. Now you can really make your ideal stack with a build your own bracelet kit. The kit comes complete with a variety of beads and string so you can create your own designs. Makes 4 complete bracelets, comes with over 175 beads, and then it said 2 inches of stretch cord and 2 inches of colored cord. Now you're not making 4 bracelets with 4 inches of cord, so that has to be a typo. But so when I went looking for more information on this, I went to the Bobble Bar site, and they actually do carry a build your own kit. It is $68 on the Bobble Bar site, but for $68, I would say it easily has more than twice what this kit has in it. So not only is the option a plastic bead craft kit, it's not as good as the one they carry on the site that's only $18 more. I would think that if they were going to choose this, they would have chosen the one at least that's on the website. Let me know below what you think about this. I think this is going to be like the cactus cup. I think most people are going to be like, and there are going to be a few people that like it. This doesn't speak to me. I don't think this will be in my box, but let me know below. What do you guys think about it? The second choice in customization 2 is the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen, and it is $34 for the 1.7 ounce bottle. And it says the original totally invisible weightless scentless sunscreen with SPF 40 that leaves a velvety finish. And when I went out to do research about this, they really lean on it as being a primer. It says it's clean chemicals, it's good for all skin types, it leaves you a natural finish, and this innovative antioxidant-rich multitasker has a unique oil-free formula that glides onto skin while providing broad-spectrum SPF 40. Use it as a makeup gripping primer under foundation when you want a little more coverage, or on its own if you want a more natural look. It's a totally game-changing way to wear sunscreen every day, and it will have you SPF obsessed. Our third choice in customization 3 is the Corsical 12-ounce wine tumbler with silicone straw, and it has a $35 value. And if you watch the channel at all, you know I basically have an obsession with picking up Corsical and Swig and all that, so I am sure this will be in my box. It says take your favorite vino to go in this adorable insulated tumbler. Can be used for hot and cold drinks, made of 18/8 stainless steel, BPA-free Triton lid, and food-grade silicone base. Includes a silicone straw. Lose the stem, keep the cool. Our classic stemless line was made with wine in mind, but it can be used for drinks of all kinds. It is triple insulated, and it says that it keeps cold for 9 hours and hot for 3 hours. Customization 4 in this category is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. It has a $26 value and is available in the US and Canada only. It says spritz away the dirt and oil to achieve your perfect hair day with this dry shampoo. Features triple action cleaning technology, with the key benefits being it actually cleans the hair. It absorbs oil, sweat, and odor, makes hair look, feel, and smell clean, delivers a fresh scent throughout the day, and is safe for color and chemically treated hair. The fifth choice in this customization is the AG Hair Recoil Curl Activator, and it has a $22 value. For our curly hair gals, this activator defines, maintains, and moisturizes your curls, separates and holds curls without stiffiness or stickiness. Bio-fermented tomato fruit extracts encourage curl. Rice amino acids hydrate and improve hair strength. Some curls need a little encouragement, and nothing defines, maintains, and moisturizes curls like AG's Recoil, even in high humidity. So I know you would look at me and you would think, well, there's no chance that's going to be in her box. There might be. I have a granddaughter with very curly hair, and so if her mom thinks it will be great, you will actually be seeing this in my box. Next, we have choice number 6 of 8, by the way, and it is the Poolside Water Resistant Pouch with a $35 value. Take this water-resistant pouch to the pool or the beach. Either way, it'll keep your essentials protected. It is a trendy tie-dye print, features a wristlet strap and an interior zip pouch, can fit wet bikinis, phone, wallet, and more. We're obsessed with our tie-dye pouch and plan on taking it everywhere this spring. It's functional and fashionable. Use it inside your beach tote for SPF and wet bikinis, or carry it with you day and night as a chic accessory. And it is 11 1/4 inches by 7 inches. The 7th choice in this customization is the Malin & Getz Vitamin E Face Moisturizer with a $50 value. It says gently hydrate and balance the skin with a blend of vitamins E and B5 and chamomile fatty acids. Our best-selling moisturizer keeps your skin balanced and hydrated all day. Lightweight formula is quick to absorb and is intensely nourishing, delivering just the right amount of moisture without feeling greasy or sticky. Vitamin E defends the skin against environmental aggressors. Vitamin B5 enhances water retention, and soothing chamomile hydrates the skin. And our 8th and final choice in customization 3 is the Nectar Blue Light Blocking Glasses. And it says they are the round eye brown tortoise frame that has a $45 value. Block blue light from your computer or phone to keep your eyes refreshed and lessen fatigue. I went to their site and couldn't find these actual glasses on their site. They do have quite a few on the site, and when I went there yesterday evening, these weren't one of them. I also thought it was interesting that all of the glasses on their site had a $50 value, but these are a $45 value. And I can't speak to this brand, but I can tell you, I have blue light glasses. I do wear readers, so I can't pick up the ones that come in boxes that are just, they don't enhance reading ability, but I do have some blue light glasses, and I will tell you, I find that they do everything they give blue light glasses credit for doing. I think if I use them when I'm using my iPad right before I go to bed, it's easier to fall asleep. I find that if I reach for them more than I reach for these, I have less eye strain. I think the blue light glasses help. So if you've tried them before, let me know if you think they help. All right, so that is customization 3. Let me know below. What do you think? What are you leaning towards? How do you think the box is shaping up? If you don't care for the box this season, would you consider doing the swap? Let me know everything below. If you are caught up, I will see you probably tomorrow with customization 4. They are rolling these babies out. If you are not caught up, I will go through really quickly customizations 1 and 2 right now, and I'll put cards at the end to take you back over to their bigger videos with more details. And quickly, before we get started with the review, I just wanted to shout out McKenna, who is close to graduation, and say hi and keep up the good work. All right, in customization 1, we had 7 choices, and they were the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum with a $64 value, a PMD Clean with a $99 value, the Somersault Neoprene Beach Tote. We had a choice between 2 colors, and that's an $80 value. The Virginia Wolf Multi-Wear Wrap with a $60 value. The Society 6 Outdoor Blanket, also a $60 value. The Society 6 Wine Chiller with a $44.95 value. And the L Space Tie-Dye Towel with a $58 value. And in customization 2, we have 8 choices. There are a lot of choices this time. I have 2 boxes and I suspect they are both going to have additional selections. Our first choice in customization 2 is the Draper James Ruffle 90, and that had a $48 value. Next, we have the Way Detox Shampoo and Scalp Massager. That has a $40 value. Then there's the Millie Jewelry Case with a $60 value. And then next, I call this 4 and 4A. For US and Canadian residents only, we have the Obey 2 Resistance Hip Bands and 2-month Obey membership with a $74 value. And in that same category, if you are in the UK, you can get the Obey 2 Resistance Hip Bands, which is the same 2 hip bands, and the Magi Sports Trigger Point Ball. And that has a $47 value, and that's for the UK only. The next item in this customization, one of my favorites, is the Ray Dunn by Magenta Guac and Salsa Bowls, and they have a $40 value. Then we have the Sonics Bluetooth speaker, and that has a $45 value. And then we have the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, and that has a $39 value. And last, we have the Business and Pleasure Company Cooler Bag, and that had a $59 value. So you are now caught up on all of the customizations. We will probably have another one tomorrow, so I will probably see you again tomorrow with customization 4. They are rolling them out so quickly and really early this season. I read that the box that they're selling now, which is basically the springtime editor's box, is still available through April 28th, which would mean if you want to start with the summer box, you won't be able to sign up until April 29th for the summer box. If I read something that implies that that's wrong, I will let you know, but I will come on and let you guys know when the summer box is available if you want to start a new membership with the summer box. If you have any other questions, let me know below. I'm happy to answer anything that I can. Let me know below what you're thinking of the box and what you're leaning toward for your choices. There's a lot of things that it would be easier to tell you what I don't think I'm gonna have than what I do think I'm gonna have. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos coming out, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.